Some of us don't give much thought to washing our faces. A washcloth and some cleanser and you're good, right? What if there was a better way?
Foreo LUNA 3 and LUNA Mini 3 are both smart, connected, soft silicone facial cleansing brushes. They allow you to gently remove dirt and residue that can trigger breakouts.
So what are the differences between the LUNA 3 here and the LUNA 3 Mini? There's more than just size. I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets Canada, and in this post we'll take a look at what the LUNA brushes can do and how to choose between these two. And I'd also like to say thank you to Foreo for sponsoring this post. Their support helps me keep the blog and the YouTube channel running, and for that I'm really grateful.
What's it like using LUNA 3 and LUNA Mini 3? Both of these devices are quite similar in how they operate. The soft silicone is gentle on the skin, and the bristles feel like they're cleansing without harshly scrubbing. They get easily into all the areas on your face, and the vibrations that accompany the cleaning programs are gentle. More on this in a second. To use your LUNA 3 or LUNA Mini 3, connect your LUNA to the Foreo app via Bluetooth. Dampen your face and apply your favorite cleanser to your LUNA 3 and then hit the start button twice. Move the LUNA's bristles in a circular motion across your face until the built-in timer shuts it off. Then rinse your LUNA and leave it to dry, and pat dry your face and continue with your skincare routine.
The LUNA 3 and the LUNA Mini 3 are both designed to help you fully cleanse the skin on your face, neck, and chest without being harsh. Both offer gentle skin exfoliation that helps to clean up things like makeup, sunscreen, dirt, sweat, dead skin cells, and just about anything else you may get on your face.
Both LUNA 3 and the LUNA Mini 3 use Foreo's T-Sonic pulsations, which is essentially a vibration that helps cleanse your skin more deeply and thoroughly than with a washcloth alone. Think of those vibrations as gently shaking the dirt from your pores, if you like. While both brushes are 100% waterproof and shower safe, the LUNA 3 offers a few more app-controlled settings than the Mini 3. The LUNA 3 has 4 different massage options, everything from eyes on the prize for firming up the eye area to mouth magic for tightening your jawline.
All of the settings for both devices have video tutorials that will show you how to properly use your device. The app can also be used for finding a lost device, and it can help you track your cleansing habits as well. The LUNA Mini 3 here has a built-in 30-second cleanse setting, and when it's paired with the Foreo app, you have the ability to select between 12 different intensity settings. The LUNA 3 here, by comparison, has a 1-minute cleansing cycle and 16 different intensity settings.
LUNA 3 is noticeably larger than the LUNA Mini 3. The LUNA 3 is a bit bigger than your palm, while the Mini 3 is a bit smaller than that. The LUNA Mini 3 has a circular shape, so while its smaller size makes it easier to maneuver, it does take a few more passes to cover the whole face. LUNA 3's larger size fits more naturally into your hand and does require less effort to control and grip than the Mini 3. The LUNA 3 also has a more tapered tip at the top of the device, which could prove useful for cleansing narrower areas like the nose or near the temples. Both LUNA 3 and LUNA Mini 3 have the same velvety soft silicone bristles. According to Foreo's website, these bristles, or touch points, are 25% softer than previous LUNA models, and on the LUNA 3 they're 30% longer than the previous version.
These silicone bristles are supposed to be more gentle on skin than traditional bristle cleansing devices. So if you've found traditional brushes like that too harsh for your skin, a LUNA device here could be the answer.
LUNA 3 has bristles that are designed to manage particular skin types, so you choose the color and bristle configuration based on your skin. There's normal, combination, and sensitive options. The back of the LUNA 3 has a ribbed or waved texture that's used for massaging features. Conversely, LUNA Mini 3 has bristles on both sides of the device, with the front having smaller bristles like those on the regular LUNA 3 and larger bristles on the back like those on the combination LUNA 3.
There is a bit of a difference in battery life here, and this may be a factor if you plan to travel with your LUNA device. The LUNA 3 here offers about 650 uses per charge, while the LUNA Mini 3 offers about 400. While the Mini 3 does have a smaller battery, it will still have plenty of charge, enough to be taken on trips without having to worry about packing the charging cord. You always want to make sure to dry your Foreo device after use. If your Luna device does need cleaning, you can use soap and water or a silicone-safe sanitizing agent on it, since alcohols and things like acetone can actually damage the silicone. Now, while silicone is more hygienic than traditional bristle devices, this material can't be used with all cleansers. For example, Foreo recommends against using things like clay or silicone-based cleansers or any type of exfoliators or anything with kind of a grainy texture. Choosing just the right Luna device for you is about weighing the features. If you have sensitive or aging skin, the Luna 3 here may be a better option for you since it offers more features designed to be appropriate for these types of skin. If you travel often or have normal or combination skin and prefer a smaller device, the Luna Mini 3 is perfect for you. Cost could also be a determining factor. The Luna Mini 3 is a bit less expensive than the Luna. You can take a peek at Foreo's website for current pricing. Both of them, though, do have a 2-year warranty. Both the Foreo Luna devices I tried are convenient, they're portable, they cleanse well and clean up easily, and they have long-lasting batteries. With their waterproof technology, it's easy to leave one in the shower for quick use or to use it with your smartphone in the bathroom for more specialized cleaning. I've really enjoyed using and exploring both of my Luna devices, and I can definitely recommend them for your skincare routine too. If you want to read this review or reference any of what I've talked about, head over to techgadgetscanada.com where I have posted a full blog. You can ask me any questions you have about these devices, either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always reach me through Facebook at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada.